Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share with you the top 10 surprising benefits of eating almonds. These tiny nuts pack a powerful punch when it comes to boosting your health. So let's dive in. First up, did you know that almonds are incredibly nutrient dense? Just a small handful contains a significant amount of protein, fiber, and vitamin E. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant that helps protect your body against free radicals. Moving on to benefit number 2. Almonds can help manage your blood sugar levels. Thanks to their high fiber content and healthy fats, almonds can slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, making them an excellent snack for those managing diabetes. Third on our list is heart health. Almonds are a fantastic source of antioxidants and healthy fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. Plus, they might help improve the health of your artery walls too. Benefit number 4 is all about weight management. Almonds are low in carbs, but high in protein and fiber, which means they can help you feel full and satisfied. This can prevent overeating and help you maintain a healthy weight. Fifth, let's talk about gut health. Almonds promote a healthy digestive system by contributing to your daily fiber intake. Fiber aids in digestion and can help prevent constipation. Next, almonds are great for your skin. Thanks to their high levels of vitamin E, eating almonds can help nourish your skin and protect it from the sun's damaging UV rays. Coming in at number 7, almonds can help boost your brain function. They contain riboflavin and L-carnitine, nutrients that can help prevent cognitive decline and improve brain health. Eighth on our list is that almonds can help you increase your energy levels. They contain manganese, riboflavin, and copper, all of which help your body produce energy more efficiently. Ninth, almonds are beneficial for bone health. They're a good source of calcium, which is essential for building and maintaining strong bones. And lastly, almonds can help reduce inflammation in your body. They are high in fatty acids like omega-3, which can help lower levels of inflammation linked to various chronic diseases. So there you have it, 10 fantastic reasons to start incorporating more almonds into your diet. Whether you sprinkle them over your salad, add them to your yogurt, or just snack on them throughout the day, your body will thank you. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.